Kids love making music, and with the myTRACKS, kids of all ages can experiment with using pre-made melodies or create their own. So let's jump into note mode and clip mode on the myTRACKS. We'll get started with note mode. In note mode, you can play individual notes and create your own melodies. Note mode on the myTRACKS is activated by clicking on the mode button until it turns purple. And note mode allows you to play individual notes on each of these tracks. Each track on the myTRACKS has its own sound, and sounds on the myTRACKS can be sound effects, they can be instruments, or they can be drums. This is always going to be drums. But I can change what drums I hear or what the drums sound like by clicking on the instrument button one time. On the other tracks, you might find drums as well, but you're more likely to find different sounds like basses or leads or strings, as well as sound effects. And you can change those sounds by also clicking the instrument button at the bottom of the track. You can change octaves by holding down the instrument button. This is one octave below. Hold it down again. This is another octave below. Hold it down again. We're going an octave higher. Hold it again and it's 2 octaves higher. And hold it one more time and we go back to the original octave. You can play multiple notes at a time by holding down individual pads on different tracks. And change the volume of each of the individual tracks with these knobs. Remember to double check if you have any effects on the sound you're listening to. This one's totally clean, but if you see any colors on this line that says effects, like this, it has delay. Just keep clicking the effects button until the light goes out completely and you'll hear the sound completely dry or with no effects at all. Note mode is perfect when you want to create your own melodies. Next, let's jump into clip mode. In clip mode, you can use the pre-made melodies on the myTRACKS to create your own songs. To activate clip mode, click on the mode button until it turns blue. Clips are individual melodies or drum loops that can be activated on each one of these individual pads on the myTRACKS. So if we want to listen to drums, I'm going to click on one of these pads and press play. And then start adding some others. So this is our next track here. And remember, you can change individual instrument sounds by clicking on the instrument button. And change volumes on the individual tracks here. And change octaves as well by clicking and holding. Press the stop button to stop all the clips from playing. To instantly change a clip, all you have to do is click on another pad on the track while it's playing. But since all clips are on 4-bar loops, if you want to change the clip at the next repetition of the 4-bar loop, all you have to do is click and hold on the individual pad like this. Use the tempo buttons to change the speed of all of your clips together. And don't forget to add effects. And while you're playing in clip mode, switch back over to note mode so you can play some individual melodies as well. I'm going to use this last track. To play drums on all of the pads you have available, click and hold on the mode button and it's going to activate drum machine mode. You can activate a whole drum kit and change the sound of your drums here by clicking the instrument button. All right, now it's time to get creative.